What's up everybody, welcome back to Craig Motion. If this is your first time, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and share. So kanyaka ndinako ndikastana na Olinda. So nyaya chazopindwa na Olinda. Nyaya ngere kuti nezuro pa Instagram. Stana went live nemusikana anonzi Mike Coco. And then alva watanga kutambira naye pavo ma pictures acho aya. Then twazoitika na Smax nezvekuti Hans Peter pena ari kutsvagwa uko pana baba vari kupenga mwana wavo, so I guess ndi baba vaMike Coco. Message yacho iyerape. So guys, tell us what you think in my comments, maiziya. Yanga yakanzi like baba wacho ndo vaitaura hanzi hai, that's his number, give him my number, he needs to call me. Look at this, surely this boy started doing this to my daughter last night on his live, then this morning sending his video to Zim Celeb. Stan is a father of 2 daughters, and how can he encourage such behavior as his so-called role model and allowing a woman to take off clothes in front of his audience? No to Stan Chichi. Then Olinda Vatiwa called, I think you have the wrong number. I'm Olinda, not Dion. Dion Kazwa Stana. So guys, tell us what you think in my comments. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.